Welcome back to the Gadgets Pocket. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about Apple's latest flagship, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. In this video, we'll talk about its design, performance, camera features, and whether it's worth the upgrade. Let's get into it. First off, let's talk about the design. The iPhone 16 Pro Max continues Apple's signature premium feel with its sleek glass back, polished stainless steel edges, and a stunning ceramic shield front. It's available in multiple colors, including a new space titanium option that looks absolutely fantastic. The phone's dimensions are slightly larger than its predecessors, but it's still lightweight and feels solid in the hand. The Pro Max series is also built to handle daily wear with its IP68 water and dust resistance. Now, let's talk about the display. The iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with a 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display, which Apple claims is the brightest display they've ever put in an iPhone. It supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, so you can enjoy vivid colors and deep contrasts, especially when streaming your favorite shows or playing high-quality content. The 120 Hz ProMotion refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and seamless animations, making this one of the best displays available on any smartphone today. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by the new A18 Bionic chip. This chip is designed for speed and efficiency, making multitasking a breeze and running even the most demanding apps and games without a hitch. Moving on to the camera system, the iPhone 16 Pro Max comes with a triple camera setup, including a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. Running on iOS 17, the iPhone 16 Pro Max introduces new features like interactive widgets, enhanced privacy options, and the new dynamic island that's even more responsive. You'll also get Apple's latest focus on AI, helping you organize your notifications, improve battery life, and even suggest content based on your usage. Battery life is another area where Apple has made improvements. With all-day battery life and the ability to charge quickly via MagSafe or a wired connection, you'll have no problem staying powered up throughout your day. Now, let's talk about the price. The iPhone 16 Pro Max starts at $1,099 for the base model, but with its premium build quality, incredible display, top-notch performance, and industry-leading cameras, it's well worth the investment for those looking for the best. That wraps up our review of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Let us know what you think about the iPhone 16 Pro Max in the comments below. Thanks for watching.